Show that sine of 2 theta divided by 1 minus cosine of 2 theta equals cotangent of theta. So let's begin our problem from the left hand side. Now here in the numerator we have sine 2 theta. Now there's a standard formula. If we apply the sine trigonometric ratio of the multiple angle, which is sine 2 theta, we're going to get 2 times sine of angle theta times cosine of angle theta divided by 1 minus. Now we can also expand cosine of 2 theta. So this will be, now there are 3 forms of cosine 2 theta. We're going to choose the one which is going to help us cancel out the 1 so that we get only a single term here. So here if we choose cosine 2 theta to be 1 minus 2 times sine squared theta, then this 1 will get cancelled out. So we have 2 times sine theta times cosine theta, and in the denominator we're going to get positive 2 sine squared theta. Now we can factor out 2 from the numerator and the denominator, and 1 sine theta from the numerator and the denominator as well. That's going to leave us with cosine theta over sine theta, and this ratio is the cotangent function. So we get cotangent of theta, which is the expression on the right hand side, hence proved.